Honestly, I had no idea. I thought that it would actually, my best guess was something having to do with, like a talk about students' behavior or something, but that wasn't the case. And I think it's definitely a great choice for the award, Mr. Deppard. I had him for rock band. I've never had him for a class, but he was the instructor, and it's not easy being the man behind the scenes for a band, especially with a bunch of middle schoolers. So, I thought it was a great choice, and it's awesome. He definitely deserves it. It was, he's a great teacher, and yeah. I just think, like I said, it's not easy, instructing everyone. I mean, we had people of all skill levels and stuff, some who had been playing instruments for years and some who've never even touched an instrument. But no matter what, he was always able to get us ready in time for the performance that we had. And, I just think, yeah, he was great at connecting with the students and teaching them how to do those things. And it just, yeah. Well, like you guys were saying, a lot of other professions get awards for stuff that might not be as difficult, and they get a lot more recognition. And I mean, being a teacher, I know is not easy, and I think, yeah, it's definitely important to recognize the just like sheer dedication it takes to teach all those students, and I think that's really important. So.